I am here in Malaysia Airport in Kuala Lumpur. Super nice, guys. Hello guys, good morning and Merry Christmas. Today is December 25, 2025 and we are currently here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. As you can see, I am here in our apartment and this is gonna be our place for the next 4 days. So I'm gonna show you around. This apartment cost us around $260 including the taxes for 5 nights. So the area is pretty good. I saw a lot of locals around here. Lots of local cafeterias, and it's close to the Sunway Putra Mall. But let me give you a tour. So right when you enter the door, there's a shoe cabinet, and then over here is the bathroom. Nice water pressure, so it's pretty basic. You have the sink and the shower, of course without the shower curtain. And then right here is the cabinet for clothes. At the bottom is the washing machine, so you can do our laundry here, but we need to buy soap, of course. And then at the top you can put some of your clothes here, hang your clothes. And we have hair blower and iron. And then right straight ahead is the bed and sitting area. This is the table, the dining, and we have the sink over here. We have a stove as well. There is drawers and fridge, microwave, light. So this is pretty basic, but it's huge, very spacious. And then there's a TV here. We just put our clothes there, so it's easier for us to get ready every day. All the shoes, we need to put it in the shoe drawer. There's a mirror here to help us get ready in the morning, and small table here to put our laptop, but we end up using it for other stuff. And then this is the bed, pretty big, quite comfortable. That's our studio apartment for the next 4 days. And this is the view of the city. So there's a metro running in this area. Look at that. We are close to the Putra station, Sunway Putra station. That's the name of the mall actually. But from here we can go to the central, and from the central we can go to any part of the city. 25 minutes from KLCC Mall up to Bukit Bintang. And then from the pavilion, we walked another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to here. Lots of walking, so much crowd. Yeah, this is how we spend our Christmas 2025. And now we are sitting here in this cozy cafe. Yeah, eating French fries and drinking boba tea, milk tea. Enjoying Malaysia so far. Lots of things to do, to see, to shop, like food trip, walking trip, everything. They have kids around here. Oh, these are hotels around here.
This was like around here.
Yeah.
See, behind here is the main road. I remember looking at this place. See, building from our apartment.
Yeah.
So I know how we can get here. We walk to the parking lot. There's our apartment right there.
Yeah. The US flag. This is their market though.
Get the fish right here.
Yeah.
Kilo, 3 kilo. Belakang, 3 kilo. Campur. Campur.
And out. Okay.
Here, we have to get rid of one of these.
Hello. We are exploring all the local cuisines and eateries here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. So far, we are really enjoying our stay here. We get to know the city very well. We know how to get around now. We know which route to take, where to get off from the monorail, from the MRT, from the LRT, how to transfer, where are the key places. It's so easy, and the prices of the fare is very, very reasonable. Try this. It's like binalot in the Philippines. Just the concept is the same, but this is the authentic Malaysian food, and pinalo to some kind of a street food here since 1930s. For the last 4 days that we've been here, we only spent like 30 dirhams. Ringgit and dirhams is the same value. This is the what you called teh.
Yeah.
So in their menu, there's teh, and then teh C, and then teh O. So teh O is with syrup, and teh C is the cold cold drink. So yeah, we're learning. So good. We are sitting in front of the KL Central in the taxi. They call the taxi or taxi stand. And we just booked our Grab going to Thean Hou Temple
14.
for
14 does it cost?
14 ringgit. You know, the transportation fare here is really good.
And I'll tell you exactly what.
That's 14 dirhams in my money. How much is it in dollar? Divided by 4.
14 is $3
That's about
and 46 cents.
$3.46, which is really good. That's 6 minutes away from here. So yeah, we are not really paying so much to get around here. This is the seating area, the waiting area right here, and we're gonna get on the Grab on the other side of the street. This is a KLCC air terminal. What's the name?
We call Grab.
Hi guys, we finally arrived here in Thean Hou Temple, and it's right behind me. Wow, nice architecture though. We're gonna be exploring inside for sure.
Yeah, do some videos in here.